Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about what is tariff. So when we talk about tariff, of course, it is a tax imposed by a government on imported goods. Okay, so we all know that when we are doing global trade, one of the taxes that you need to pay is the tariff. So in simple meaning, a tariff is an extra cost added to products coming from other countries. So just to illustrate, if a product costs, let's say, $100 from another country, and the government rather adds a 10% tariff, the new price of the product will be $110. So what is the purpose of the tariff? Of course, the government used the tariffs to, number one, to protect local industries because it make imported goods more expensive than local products so that they can protect the local products and there will still be customers who will patronize the local products. Another one is, of course, for the government to generate revenue. And of course, the third one is for, of course, the government to control imports. Okay? Because it reduced the number of foreign goods entering the country. So for easy to remember the tariff is tax on imports. So what is the effect of this? Okay, so on the positive side, of course, it helps local businesses compete and of course, it supports domestic production. On the other hand, on the negative side, it increases prices for consumers and may lead to trade conflicts. So that's all, and thank you so much for watching.